In almost 2 weeks worth of laundry because I did the laundry. Hey guys, welcome back. So it is Saturday, January 11, 2025, and I'm about to do my first laundry for the new year. So I want to take you guys with me. So today I'm gonna go ahead. My baby's downstairs crying because I left her to come upstairs to get the laundry. So I'm gonna go ahead, do the laundry, undecorate my house with the Christmas decor. So I'm gonna go ahead, take down the Christmas tree, put away all the Christmas decors. Maybe I'll include in this vlog, maybe I'll include me washing and combing Adriana's hair. I want to give her some braids. I'm gonna see if I'll be able to do that. So first things first, the laundry is already in our bathroom, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean and wash our bed sheets and the girls' bed sheets. So my husband's and I bed sheets and the girls' bed sheets. I'm gonna also wash the mattress covers, the mattress protectors, but I'm gonna leave those for last because each bed has their own protectors. So, and we have more than one per bed. So whenever I'm washing one, I can always put the next one on, because if you know, those are really hard to dry because of the plastic inside. It gets so much water trapped in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, strip the beds. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do, strip the beds and then start washing. So what I'm gonna do, strip the beds, start washing the sheets, start the clothes. And because whenever I'm doing the laundry, I don't just like to just do the laundry alone. I like to go ahead and do something in my downtime. So I'll either edit a video, do something. If I'm supposed to cook, I'm gonna go ahead and cook. And sometimes to tell you the truth, sometimes I really don't do anything because my kids need me and my mom, so they need me. So I'm gonna go ahead, do the laundry, take down the Christmas tree, and see if I can get Adriana's hair done. And that's basically it. And yes, I won't be doing anything to the guest room. I won't be changing the sheets or anything because no one sleeps in that room, and I just changed the sheets last week, so I'm not going to do anything to the guest room. I'm just gonna let it be. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start my day. I already had breakfast. My husband went ahead and made breakfast, so I had plantains, fried plantains and fried eggs, and I made a cup of coffee. So now it's time for me to get cracking. Let's go. I forgot to mention that I'll be doing almost 2 weeks worth of laundry because I did the laundry right before New Year's, and because Adriana did not have school, I didn't think I need to do it. So it's almost 2 weeks, so I'll be doing that. I already went ahead and washed like the cushions from my couch, so those are on top of the dryer. Those are already washed. I washed them during the week, And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start washing. Here you go, guys. I am done braiding. Adriana is here, and now it's time for me to go ahead and do the hot water method. I'm going to go ahead, add some flexi rods to the end to give her some curls. After hot watering it, I'm going to go in with some mousse and liquid oil, put that all over her scalp, and then let her stay with it overnight. I'm not going to take down the flexi rods. I'm going to take them down in the morning when her hair is dry, and then you're going to see the final result. So here you go, guys. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.